morning. People, it's enough. I love fella. There be a consequence. All this time, people, I always see people on social media wax and make up their face and go their foolishness. Some say them too extra. I extra them extra. Me not think that hot as how them a behave. People, me have a wax machine and me say me decide to go do some waxing this morning. So me say me I started my nose first and feel how I feel. People, from when me I try get out with tweezer, me ball my nose run all sort of something. People who don't know wax, it not easy. It hard for chew. It hard. Me don't know me I get out this enough, but me I forgot take time pick with the tweezer. See tweezer, yeah, me I try pick and see if me can get out it. It not easy, it hard. And I pretend the people them a pretend. It not easy. Me don't know it talk about my nose, you know. Me don't never search. Me I forgot to take this out, you know. It can't come out. Watch here. Because I put me all of my nose a draw. Watch there. Outside come out. You see it and strong? All this while me have my girl hear them on my nose and my tweezer them out of me. Alright, but me too enough this morning. Gone get waxing machine. Hot up wax push up in my nose. Me even have a right in things them to do the waxing. And me end up push up this in my nose and right now me can't get it out of here. I water on my eyes to get it out. You think there's something there, right? I don't know what to talk about my nose, you know. I don't know what to talk about myself, you know. Jesus Christ. Then something I will keep me saying, can't make them see I can be put on themselves. Watch out. People know that I don't have my nose. I don't know how I have to go this, you know. Thank God. I'm going to put in a two. I mean, even do it and wait. I'm putting a two of them. Hey. Oh, God. What's talk about? I don't know what talk about. I can't take problem in a man. Jesus. Hey. What me I gotta do? Nobody know me can do. Me a ball, you know. Me not know like me a ball. Cause me can't take you out and feel like tap up all of my nose. Me a ball, man. Hey. Can't take problem in a man. Hey. Hot. Hey. Anybody have any remedy? What we can do is to get this out. I get tougher and tougher. I look like it tougher I get it can't come out. Hey.